poems, that young fella, my lad, about a kid that went to war.
Poem?
Huh?
What do they call 'em?
Poem. P-O-E-M.
A poem?
Poem. Yeah. Don't laugh at me. I can't understand people here. They talk so What?
Poem? Say poem. Huh?
Poem. Poem. What did that say? What do you say?
Poem.
A poem? You didn't know what I said? When I was speaking, I can tell you the name of the person that wrote the poem.